It had been a minute since Dilio put something out. Not because the music stopped, because life got louder. In the quiet, he lived. He loved. He lost. And most of all, he listened. Not to trends, not to noise, but to himself. See, you don't always come back the same way you left. Sometimes you return more focused, sometimes more whole. He had felt the pull of lust and the peace of presence. He'd tasted connection that didn't need to be explained. His comeback? It's not about flexing. It's not about proving anything to anybody. This is grown. This is magnetic. This is that moment after the sunrise, when you look around and see who's still standing and who is just shadows in the night. This is Dilio. And he's not just making music anymore. He's telling the truth through rhythm, soul through silence, and love through sound. Press play and listen for what's real.